The Speaker of Lok Sabha, Birla, will address the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly tomorrow. This was disclosed by Meghalaya Assembly Commissioner and Secretary today. The Lok Sabha Speaker will address the State Assembly at 11:30 am and after that he will visit the new building of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, which is now under construction. On the 26th February at 10 am, there will be the screening of a documentary on Parliament of India and the new Parliament building. On the same day, between 10:30 am to 11:30 am, the Lok Sabha Speaker, in the presence of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Jitender Singh, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region, Metba Lingdor, Meghalaya Speaker, and Lakman Rumbui, Minister of District Council Affairs, will inaugurate the panel discussion on Indian Parliament and grassroots level institutions, potential and challenges, stepping stone towards leadership.